Since 1985, NASA Control System Engineer Be Trieu has been central to the testing and improving of some of the space agency's most powerful liquid propulsion rocket engines, including those on the space shuttle.
2, 1, and 0, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis.
Well, when I see the shuttle land with me, we have done our job to test the engine and make sure the engine is good and function without any problem.
His stellar NASA career is in stark contrast with his younger life.
I'm from Be Trieu, Vietnam. They're in the South Mekong River of South Vietnam. I was born and raised and grew up during the war.
In November 1978, he left Vietnam to escape the communist regime and to seek freedom.
Well, we left Vietnam by boat, so we are boat people. After we left Vietnam, we landed in Malaysia, and I lived in Pulau Bidong refugee camp for 6 months. Well, they rough in the refugee camp, very rough and very crowded, so we have to overcome.
From there, he came to the United States, a new country, a new culture, and a new language. Despite all the obstacles, he ultimately entered the University of Iowa and graduated in 1984 with a degree in electrical engineering.
Well, in my senior year, NASA went to interview me at the university 2 months before I graduated. NASA offered me a job to come to Marshall Space Flight Center. Well, NASA provided me a good working environment and a place to work and grow and excel for my future. And I also raised my family here as well.
Be Trieu is a proud American of Asian heritage who continues his own tradition of bringing excellence to NASA and spaceflight.